Samsung Jet 75 Complete Real User Review. Hygienic emptying and insane suction you'll feel. You ever finish vacuuming, feel proud for 5 seconds, then empty the bin and poof, dust cloud right back in your face? Last week, my friend Hannah did exactly that, sneezed for 10 minutes straight, and swore she'd never vacuum again. Sound familiar? Drop a me in the comments if you're tired of cleaning your house just to clean your vacuum. That gritty film on your floors, the pet hair that multiplies overnight, the sinking feeling when guests are coming and you're out of time. It's exhausting. You want your home spotless, without the wrestling match or the choking dust puff. Imagine taking control again, feeling that crisp, barefoot-on-clean-floor relief without ever touching filth. Here's the breakthrough you've been waiting for. The Samsung Jet 75 Complete with CleanStation. This isn't just another cordless stick, it's the one that finally ends the nonsense. 200 air watts of suction rips embedded pet hair and crushed cereal out of tarpets like it's angry at dirt. The 6-pound frame floats upstairs and under couches with a 180-degree swivel that feels almost unfair. Dock it, press one button, and the CleanStation sucks every speck into a sealed bag, 99.99% of dust and allergens trapped, zero puffback, no sneezing. Picture this. Emily, a designer with 2 shedding labs and endless Zoom calls, almost missed a client deadline because vacuuming ate her entire evening. She grabbed the Jet 75 Complete, blasted through her whole house in one charge using the spare battery, and still had 20 minutes left. She sent me a text that night. "I actually enjoy vacuuming now. Send help." That's the freedom waiting for you. Imagine breezing through your home, every corner pristine, no arm fatigue, no interruptions, no disgusting dust clouds. The Samsung Jet 75 Complete delivers exactly that. Effortless power, deep focus on what matters, and performance that makes you grin. Tech testers say it rivals corded vacuums and leaves Dyson in the dust on hygiene. A cleaning analyst who's tested everything told me the CleanStation alone justifies the upgrade. Nothing else even comes close. Influencer at Clean with Katie with 180,000 followers posted, "My allergies disappeared the day this arrived. Finally, a vacuum that doesn't fight back." One user wrote, "I have 3 cats and 0 regrets. The mini motorized tool is witchcraft on furniture." I've watched thousands of you switch and message me the same thing. Lighter, stronger, cleaner air. Pure joy. Worried about a learning curve? It's literally 3 buttons and a display smarter than most phones. You'll master it before the first charge finishes. See why thousands can't stop talking about the Samsung Jet 75 Complete? Tell me in the comments which feature you're most excited to try first. Join the creators, pet owners, busy parents, and allergy sufferers already using the Samsung Jet 75 Complete and seeing real, life-changing results every single day. No more dreading vacuum day. No more settling for half clean. Just powerful, lightweight, genuinely hygienic cleaning that fits your life. If you're ready for the cordless stick that finally respects your time and your lungs, tap the link in the description right now and bring one home. You deserve this.